In this next video, we're going to look at creating an Excel chart. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to create a chart looking at our sales total for the year 2014 for each of our 10 stores. And once again, all charts are created from information on an Excel spreadsheet. So we're going to come up here in A1 and highlight from A1 all the way down to A11. Very important, you notice I did not highlight the total. Now I also want to not only show the 10 stores, but the sales, total sales for 2014. Now the trick here, to get this area here, is to hold down the control key. Then hold down my left mouse and drag down all the way down to this point here. But I did not, and I repeat, I did not highlight the total. Once again, you don't ever want to include the total within your chart. So we have both areas highlighted, 2014 totals for each of the 10 stores. A quick way to create the default chart, which is usually a column chart, is that you can easily just tap Alt F1. Now that's after you've already highlighted the area. We've highlighted the area, Alt function key 1. We have our chart. It's a column chart showing the sales for each of the 10 stores. And if we want to change that type of chart to a pie chart, all you have to do is click within the chart, right click, change chart type, click on pie. I'm going to choose that first one, then click on OK. Now we have our pie chart. We have a title for our pie chart, but it's lacking labels. You always have to have labels. How you get your labels is by coming up to the plus sign or the chart elements, clicking on that plus sign, coming down to data labels, coming over to our arrow, clicking on that arrow, then going all the way down to more options. Right now what's showing or what's checked off are the values. For a pie chart, you always want to be showing your percentages. And for this case, we're also going to show our category name, which is showing each of the stores. Click on our X to give us more room. Close out the data label box. If we wanted to show this chart on a separate sheet, how you'd go about doing that is by clicking on the Design tab and clicking on Move Chart, or clicking within the chart, right-click, Move Chart, clicking on a new sheet, and we're going to name it 2014 Sales. Click OK. And we have our chart on a separate sheet. Thank you.